Hello everybody, well I'm in Terrace Bay, Ontario, and I met a very interesting and special person, and I'll allow you, him to introduce himself and explain what he's doing. So here he is.
Bonjour Dana, comment ça va? Ça va bien? Merci pour l'opportunité de parler de ma marche, c'est gentil. Et puis maintenant, ce qu'on vit, c'est un grand moment parce que je viens de rencontrer un grand marcheur aussi, et puis qui est en train de traverser le Canada. Donc moi, pour en venir à ma marche, je suis en train de faire un tour du monde, c'est presque fini maintenant. Donc ça va être, là c'est 62 pays. Et puis ça fait 52 paires de souliers, 64 pays, quelque chose comme ça. Bon. Et puis c'est ça, donc c'est une grande marche où j'ai commencé le 18 août 2000 après une crise sur l'île de Vie. Et puis donc j'ai traversé les 5 grands continents, de Montréal jusqu'au Brésil. Après ça, ça a été l'Afrique du Sud jusqu'au Maroc, après ça l'Europe, tour en Europe, en passant après ça vers l'Asie, vers l'Iran, l'Inde, la Chine. Ça a été les îles, Japon, Taïwan, les Philippines, l'Indonésie. Et puis l'Australie, et puis la Nouvelle-Zélande. Maintenant, je suis en train de traverser notre pays, le Canada, de Vancouver, où j'ai commencé le 26 février. Et puis il reste moins que 3 mois maintenant. Je pense que je suis rendu dans le 87e ou 8e jour de ma marche, de la fin de la marche, qui va être le 16 octobre prochain. Et puis, yeah, for our friends, English friends, now, it's a great opportunity to have me too, Dana. Then I take it very strongly in my heart. You told me that you follow my work since 1 year. I'm sorry that we didn't hear about you, so thank you anyway. So yeah, I left after a midlife crisis, a sort of long walk around the world that I had to make to change my life, and then I told my wife, and she said, do this for peace. The project was crossing the 5 big continents. It's for children, okay? 5 big continents. Then I started from Montreal down to Brazil, and then flew to South Africa to begin Africa, up to Egypt, and then Morocco, and then Europe, touring up to England, down Turkey, and Asia to India, China. And then Japan, down Taiwan, Philippines, Malaysia, Indonesia, and I started from Darwin to Hobart in Australia. It was nearly a year in Australia, very warm, the north max is it. And then New Zealand, I went to Kiwi Land, and then now I come from Vancouver, where I started the 26th of February, and then crossing that beautiful country, and all the way these guys, they gave me place and hospitality. They got me too spoiled. I should be careful of my behavior. And then yeah, again about 87 days I think we are on the countdown. I will arrive in Montreal on October 16th. I think it will be the party, it will be a Sunday. And so after sure it will be promote the books and promote that work as well by public speaking, be with my family and be involved on peace, because I supported a desire for the Ministry of Peace in Canada. I think we can do great about that thing. So thank you very much, Bernard, and yeah, nearly ready to go.
Yeah.
This is what I push, my buggy here, but I have 50 kilos of gears, stuff, and so,
Well, Jean,
thank you very much.
you're an amazing ambassador to this country, and it's been my absolute honor and pleasure to meet you. Thank you so much.
Good luck, and keep me in touch about your way, huh?
Merci beaucoup.
Yeah,
Merci beaucoup.
plaisir.
Thank you. Au revoir.